We are beneath Oxted viaduct, which is just south of Oxted station, and it's about 150, 170-year-old viaduct. We are grip blasting, steel repairs, painting, replacing the bearings and brickwork repairs. Bearing on each of the spans, there's a fixed end and a free end, and it's the free ends that we are replacing, and they are a roller between a couple of steel plates taking up expansion and contraction, and it's a case of supporting the weight of the viaduct, remove the bearing, put the new bearing in, and then drop the viaduct back down onto the bearing. The total project's about 12 to 15 months. We started in February and hopefully finish about Easter next year.